Welcome back. Daniel Parsons here, excited to be with you. It is the 3rd of March, 2024. This is my Prife International badge from the very first USA convention that was held in Las Vegas in 2022. And so I am an independent business owner for Prife International, and there are IBOs like me worldwide. And it's a very good point here on this training where I'm going to show you how to enroll someone from anywhere in the world and use the stockists located in those countries to ship your customers' products. That I make a quick announcement about being very careful of people poaching members. Poaching is when you steal a contact from someone that they belong to someone else, and this is fraud. It is against the terms of service with Prife International, and it will be discovered. So just don't do it. It's unethical. It's not professional. And so I want to get to the training. So let me go into the screen share right now. If you want to join me in Prife International, the easiest way to do that is just reach out to me on Telegram. And my Telegram is just my name, Daniel Parsons. But it is recommended whenever I do team trainings like this, you need to always get back to the person that you want to join in Prife International because you have the relationship with them. Whenever problems happen, you're able to, through that relationship, get your problems resolved. And that's why when people poach, it just creates a big can of worms. A, for the company, because they got to do some management discipline, and then B, for the upline sponsors, because they're going to hear about it from their downline members. So let's go to the screen share. And so let's pull up my Prife site. And I'm at prifevip.com because it's been some time. The CAPTCHA will have timed out. So I'm just going to refresh that quickly. And thank goodness our high-speed internet's working. So let's put the new CAPTCHA in. Let's go in. And you want to go down to your, if you're going to purchase a pen, there's one way of doing that, but I'm going to show you the register way first. Okay, so I'm actually recording that audio right now on that OxyTap. You want to hit in your navigate menu in the lower menu. It's the second one over. Hit your register button. Now, somebody has already, let's say, topped you up for $4,050. And so you're going to hit select region. You're going to sponsor them in with a Canadian Pro. And so I recommend Alberta and British Columbia. I know Manitoba's open, but I haven't interacted with them yet. And so if you want to use Manitoba, that is kind of in the center of Canada. But for this I've done quite a bit with Alberta and British Columbia. So let's go British Columbia and just leave that country state the way it is. You'll see Stockist ID British Columbia pulled up. Next step. Okay, so we've got somebody's topped you up for $4,050. Just simply add to cart. Okay, once you hit click on add to cart, you'll see down here, you've got the lower left, it says $4,050. Okay, so this is the diamond membership. And so it has 2,000 in PV. And then so your register wallet, it should have somebody has topped you up for $4,050. And then you just simply, this is all self-explanatory. I'll let you do this yourself. Just select a username for the person. I always like to use their first name. However, after a couple of years, many of the first names are already gone. but you could do first name, last initial, or you can come up with something creative. So, and then sponsor username, and then to drop this right here will load up. Always put people on your left sides of your two spots. You've got a left leg, right leg. And so underneath your left leg, right leg, always put people down the left side of your left leg and the left side of your right leg. Never put anybody on the right-hand side unless it is your very second enrollment, which you would put somebody, if that spot is open, on your right side, because the very first enrollment will force you to put somebody on the left side. So I've actually given you some bonus training on placement right there. So just finish the rest of this right here. Of course, country is going to be Canada. Hit submit, and then it'll ask you confirm, is your placement right, and then hit submit, and then bingo, you've got your enrollment done. Now, let me go back to navigate, and let's just real quickly go over if we were to purchase a pen. And so you want to just do the same similar things here. Select region. It's going to be Canada, obviously. I'm going to go ahead and stay with British Columbia because that's the way we did it. Okay. And so just leave this as product collected. Okay. Hit next step. Okay. So let's just go ahead. They've got 5 pins on the Pro. Just add to cart. Just go down here. And then what you'll do here is you'll use your register wallet balance because somebody has used your top-up link, and I'll show you that at the end here. And then in the remark, I always put right here, iTeraCare. Actually, you would want to put Diamond, iTeraCare Pro, and then dash, and then the customer's name. Then that way there's a record for this transaction for your management. Then you would hit next step, and then, all right, so test. Okay, so I can't get to the next step, but the next step is just simply filling out the delivery information that you need to do for the person. So let me go off of purchase pen. This is your top up. So this right here, when you click on that, this will send a page to somebody. If they don't want to use PayPal, I've got a training video on my Rumble where you can actually see how to do that without using PayPal. You just, at the bottom of that form that loads up here, I'll show you what it looks like. And I'm praying that this went over. So 4,050 Diamond, iTeraCare Pro, customer service, confirm submit. Okay. Now, what's going to happen is it's going to ask me for an email and a phone number. And if you don't want to use PayPal, put in an email and a phone number that PayPal has never seen before. And then just fill out the rest of this, the card information. At the bottom, you see this save info and create your PayPal account. Turn that off. Okay. Then hit pay now, and it'll work. So I'm going to go off of screen for now, and I hope you got quite a bit out of this. I do have trainings on iNetwork, which is the Rumble channel, rumble.com/iNetwork. And there's quite a bit of trainings on there. Bye for now.